Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we will learn all parts of body.
Which body part is this? Head. This is head. Which body part is this? Hair. This is hair. Do you know this one? Ears. This is ears. Which body part is this? Eyes. This is eyes. Which body part is this? Mouth. This is mouth. Do you know this one? Nose. This is nose. Which body part is this? Cheeks. This is cheeks. Which body part is this? Chin. This is chin. Do you know this one? Neck. This is neck. Which body part is this? Chest. This is chest. Which body part is this? Shoulder. This is shoulder. Which body part is this? Stomach. This is stomach. Which body part is this? Elbow. This is elbow. Do you know this one? Ankle. This is ankle. Which body part is this? Knee. This is knee. Which body part is this? Hips. This is hips. Which body part is this? Hand. This is hand. Which body part is this? Fingers. This is fingers. Do you know this one? Foot. This is foot. Which body part is this? Toes. This is toes. Which body part is this? Arm. This is arm. Which body part is this? Leg. This is leg. Which body part is this? Buttocks. This is buttocks. What is this? Body. This is body.
Hope you have learned all the parts of body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.